is makes you bold to take good decisions for yourself, makes you fearless and bold, so that you can create better life of yourself by taking better decisions. Yeah, that will be like helpful in your own growth. Yeah, perfect, very clear. If you'll be able to take good decisions, your growth happens, and you'll be able to grow on a better level, right? Then calmness and peace of mind. You will gain calmness and peace of mind with solutions of insecurity. Yeah. An attitude of calmness will come when you know yourself and work on yourself. Like for instance, if somebody, you meet somebody and he or she does not like you, and he wants to throw n number of negative words and enormous bullshit on you, that you like this, you like that, I don't like you, you don't deserve this, blah 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 blah, then you will ask yourself, is it right? Or is it true? Am I like that? Or is it just a comedy? Then you will figure out what is real, what is fake, what is factual, what is assumption, and what is workable and what is worthy of throwing into a garbage bag. Yeah. So for that you have to be very, very clear about who you are. Don't let others tell you who you are. Know what you want. Do what you want to do. Yeah. Now the part, I am really happy to share this content with you. This is not taken by any reference. This is my original content, which is coming from the sea of feelings and knowledge inside me, and through my own meditative and spiritual experiences that I had been doing from past 16-17 years, and now I am able to be vocal about it, when verbal about it. As earlier I didn't know how to communicate my experiences with my audience, but now I am able to do it. I am so happy that I have been given this platform to do it. Yeah. So now the part comes of honoring my audience. I would like to honor my enterprising, creative and dynamic people who always inspire me and motivate me, and who very willingly and lovingly ask me how I manage to do all those things at a time. Where do I get the energy to do those things? Actually, it's my passion. I don't require anybody else to inspire me in that, because this is my life goal. This is my life purpose. Yeah. Next, I'll be very thankful for the patience and support given to me. Patience to listen to these new topics and new sort of channel. This is different and out of box, and people admire it, like it. So I really like it. I really love it. I get really beautiful feedbacks from people. Yeah. I have been receiving feedbacks from my people who said that I'm an example and role model for them. I say I'm nothing. I have not done anything. But they say what you have done you don't know, and you don't understand what we are saying, but you are a role model for us. I say thank you very much. I would like to take the torch forward, and I will. Yeah. It is a very satisfying feeling. It makes me very happy. Yeah. Next is I would like to share my commitment, lifelong commitment to serve my audience through my channel. I would like to thank my audience for supporting me since last 2 months. It's just 2 months, and it's feeling like a relationship of 10 years. I can't imagine myself being so open, so enthusiastic, and so willing to share my things on this platform. But I'm doing it. Even I cannot believe it that this has happened, or I have made it happen. Next is I am, and I will be always full of gratitude for all the love, support, appreciation, and respect given to me. Respect is a very, very important thing. That asset, I call it asset. These are soft assets, intangible assets, which cannot be bought by even millions of euros or millions of dollars. Respect is hard earned, and I am happy and very satisfied for receiving respect from my lovely audience, and I am really very much thankful from the bottom of my heart, and from my core strength, that I'll be always sharing my views, sharing my things with you people here. And I am like still working on the technical part, because I am juggling, and I am like putting myself in multiple roles, because at present I am not alone now, though I am like associated with the system, with the good supportive people. I have joined networking company, network marketing company by the name of Vestige. I am proud Vestigian now, and I would like to express my thanks to the people who love me, who care for me, and who support me in my journey with their motivation and professional counsel. Yeah, sometimes the healer also needs counsel. So it's like a win-win situation for me, and I am committed to my forward journey, which will be forward, never in the previous mode in any case, because I am not in favor of going backwards in life. So I have left my comfort zone once and for all. I fought for it, and I finally have achieved it. Now I will take my own decisions on my own. I will not let anyone take lead of my life. Yeah. Thank you very much. I am so happy. Thank you very much for the kind of support I have been given. Thank you. Thank you so much.